Another song I'm going to use with the chord buddy. If you don't know, this is a G, a D, a C, and an E minor. Confederate Railroad's Trashy Womon. It's going to be a G, a D, a G, a G, a D, a C, a G, a D, and then a G. It's going to repeat for the chorus and for the verses. Strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, times 2. Or you can do down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop. I'm going to do both of them so that you can see. It's going to go like this here, and I'm going to slow the song down so that you can actually, hear how it goes. I was raised in a sophisticated kind of style, but taste in music and women drove my folks half wild. Mom and dad had a plan for me, it was a destination and a ceremony. And I like my music and I like my women wild. I like my women just a little on the trashy side. When they wear their clothes too tight and their hair is dyed. Too much lipstick and too much leaves me excited, leaves me feeling confused. I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Now all the verses repeat the same way. And then the choruses all repeat the same way. It's going to be a verse, a chorus, a verse, a chorus, a verse, a chorus, and then it's going to end with a verse. You can play around with it, open it up a little bit, do a little bit more open strumming. I love my women just a little on the trashy side. When they wear their clothes too tight and their hair is dyed. Too much lipstick and too much leaves me excited, leaves me feeling confused. I like my women just a little on the trashy side. You can do that different ways. Anyways, this is Edwin, chord buddy, G, D, C, E minor. Subscribe, submit, text, send me an email. Y'all take it easy and have a blessed day.